and my car won't start again. Oh my god. The battery's gone again. Oh my god. Talk about super annoying. This is twice now. We've been out here 7 days. After the first day, it only just started. I've opened a few doors, done this, done that, lights have come on. It won't start again. This battery cannot handle it. After all the driving yesterday, it's not holding a charge. Feeling a bit cheesed off again, but there's always something, isn't there? It's put a dampener, which has been a wonderful trip. About today, I'm sure today will turn out fine. Alright, great start again. This nice young man.